I drew for you today.
I want to draw too! Hurry, Sue! Give me some paper before I forgot what I was gonna draw.
Only if you say the magic word first.
Oh, say hello to our viewers. Okay. Hi there.
No, Sam. What do you say when you ask for things?
Oh, that! Please, Sue, give me the paper.
That's better. Here you go, Sammy. Have fun.
Yay!
I'll make the princess dress as blue as the sky. I think it's very cute.
Oh, come on! Come on! Oh no! What have I done? I need an eraser. Stat! Sue, can I have an eraser, please?
You're a fast learner.
Thank you.
What's that you're drawing anyway?
Oh, you'll see for yourself soon enough.
Oh, I can't wait.
Okay, get back to drawing, Sue. I didn't make it. My drawing was a total disaster. Can you please give me more paper? Just a tiny piece.
But why did you crumple it, silly? Don't worry, it's okay to make mistakes. Here's a new paper for you.
Ow! Don't worry, Sue. I'm not gonna ruin this paper. Soon you'll see the best card drawing you've ever seen. I promise. That's it. I'm a natural at it. No one is as good as... Whoopsie. Sue? Remember when I was drawing that car? Well, my pencil broke. Oh, poor me. Can I have one of yours, please?
What? Again? Ugh, poor pencils. We need to save them. And I have an idea. Let's make a cardboard organizer.
Oh, out of cardboard, huh? Sounds fancy. I'm in.
Well, let's start by marking out the main parts. To do this, we will use a pencil and a ruler. Like this. And let's try not to break a pencil. I'm watching you, Sammy.
Oh, come on. It only happened once.
You're always breaking pencils. Have you forgotten that?
Am I? Let me think about that. I'm going to draw the cutest little flower in the world. Whoopsie. Here we go. Did I break my pencil in half? Sue? Okay, I'm done thinking.
We can call you Sam the Pencil Breaker.
So what? It can happen to anyone, Susan.
All right, if you say so.
Friends, if this happens to you too, give this video a thumbs up. I'm not the only one breaking pencils, am I? I'm bored. I thought you said we were gonna do a craft together.
Yeah, you can take these parts and make a pencil compartment, but be very, very careful, okay?
Yay! I'll be the world's most careful slime. I promise!
That's the spirit. And you, friends, should also remember to be very careful when working on your crafts. Now let's carefully glue the finished pieces together.
Wow, you're doing great, Sue! It's a real masterpiece!
Oh, thank you, Sammy. I'm doing my best. By the way, are the pieces I asked for ready yet?
Here you go! I just finished them. It was really hard.
Thank you. Also, can you bring me a few wooden skewers, please? I'm sure you can find them in the kitchen. In the meantime, I'm going to finish gluing this part to the craft.
Psst, what should I bring again?
Skewers, Sammy. Wooden skewers.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, Sammy. Always forgetting things. And you, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Where's Sam? Did he forget what he was after again?
Don't worry, I'm on my way. Ouch! Oh, here, Sue. I brought you what you asked for.
Take it easy, Sammy. Hey, look! These pieces fit perfectly in here.
Yay!
Now we need to be very precise. And not forget to secure our sticks with rubber bands.
What are you doing?
One really cool mechanism.
I don't get it. I mean, it looks cool for sure. But I wish I knew why we needed all this stuff.
If you wait a little bit, you can see for yourself.
That's not fair.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's something that'll help you not distract me while I'm drawing.
Oh yeah, then I'll hide all my art supplies away from you.
If it helps, I'm all for it. You wouldn't like it if I distracted you either, right? Come on, Sammy, don't pout. You will stash all art supplies here when we're done.
Okay, you got me. I'll trust you on this one.
Great! Then we can move on to assembling the paper tray, which is very important. Okay, we're going to glue this long piece right here.
Wait, this organizer will have room for paper?
And not just for paper, for a whole bunch of things. For paper, erasers, you name it. There will be room for everything! Now, can you please bring over here some pencils, Sammy?
Here you go, Sue. All the pencils I found.
Thank you.
No problem.
Now we can finally test our organizer in action. Uh-huh. What do you think?
This is so cool. Can I try it too, please?
Sure.
Yay! Let's go. This is amazing. I love it. Interesting. Why are these batteries here?
We need them to make a pencil sharpening machine.
What? Am I getting a pencil sharpener? Whoa! You're amazing, Sue!
Thanks, Sammy. You'll finally be able to sharpen all your broken pencils easily and effortlessly. Now, we just need to connect the wires together, like this. And put all the pieces together.
Sue, how much longer? I can't wait to test it.
Almost there, just be patient.
Okay.
A few final touches to connect the remaining parts. And voila! We can test it!
All right, start it up. Round and round and round it goes. And where it stops, nobody knows.
Where's the box for it?
I'm a cardboard ghost. I'm kidding. It's me, Sue.
You don't say! Now, we can put everything inside the box, like this. And we need a piece with a hole for pencils.
For me, the great cutter, it's not a problem. Hold on. Woo! Here it is.
Bring it over here.
Here you go. I worked really hard. Hope it fits.
Thank you, it fits perfectly. Great job, Sammy. Let's attach this.
Don't forget the eraser holders, Sue. They always get lost. Speaking of erasers,
Oh, there are so many.
all I could find.
Thank you. We'll fill a paper tray, just like that, neat and tidy. Beautiful!
It's a cool organizer, but it looks a little boring.
Right, but how can we fix that?
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, I'm so glad you like it. I love it myself.
Now, hurry, bring your pencils. We'll test it out.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm on it, Sue. I'm on it. Here, try this one out.
Okay. But first, let's go over our pencil dispenser. Put the pencil in, press the button, and voila! And now, into the sharpener. Insert, press, pull out, and it's done. Now all your pencils will always be sharp. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos with super cool crafts. And thanks for being with us today, friends. It's time to say our goodbyes, Sammy.
Bye-bye, everybody. We love you.